Hi guys, Primal Merch Man back again. Quick one to...
Oh my god, help me! Help me! They're coming after me! Help me! Oh shit!
Hi guys, Primal Merch Man back again. Quick introduction today. I know that a lot of you have been enjoying my intros to my videos, so I'm just going to put all my intros together, lay them down on the line and let you enjoy them. If anyone wants to know what programs I'm using, because obviously I've only been on YouTube now for 2 weeks technically, and how I make my intros, if you want to see that kind of video, leave a comment below. I'm just going to let you guys get into this. Primal Merch guy.
Can you teach a guy like me how to make all those cool moves? Like judo and kung fu?
Wow, this is hilarious! I didn't know this was a comedy!
This is pretty funny. Whoa, this
What
is really
the
scary.
fuck are we watching?
Are you scared, Grumpy?
What is this shit? Hey Grumpy, did you sneak in the snacks? I need my cocaine. I wonder who's at my door. Hello?
And my name is
Oh,
Merchman.
oh god,
and
let me
I
run!
sometimes merch.
They're coming after me! Help me! Oh shit! Oh, run! Run! They're coming! Oh my god! Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this is hot. Oh yeah, this is so good. Oh wow. Oh, this is great.
Hi guys, it's Primal Merch Man. Bit of a different intro today to this video. This is something that just gonna run the clip. Just run the clip. Despair. Destiny.
I'm a vampire! I'm a vampire! I'm a vampire! I'm a vampire!
Control freak.
The right file, according to alphabetical order. You know, A, B, C, D, E, F, G,
GCSE.
I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z! Huh?
Unacceptable husband.
Someone's trying to kill me, man!
Anger. Hi guys, Primal Merch Guy back again.
name is Ticklish Reuben from way down in old Vermont. I've been tickled by almost everything. I've been tickled by a feather. I've been tickled by a wasp. I've been tickled by a yellow bumblebee. Ah, ha, 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 ha. Hey, ha, ha, ha,
You're gonna die, clown! I don't hear you laughing now!
Once upon a time, there was a man, not just any man, a merch man. And that merch man did reviews on the YouTube. on the videos. Epic silence.
Hi guys, it's Problem Merch Man. Bit of a different intro today to this video. This is something that I'm just gonna run the clip. Just run the clip.
Back to the sidewalk and be until you pissed blood.
Control
Fuck!
Destiny. Anger.
My dear Dr. Sattler, welcome to Jurassic Park.
Into the club with the best in a bottle of bud. When I dance, that's the phone music to the floor, read it, cause that's what we love. Then I ask them to pass me the mic and I set things I like, cause that's what I does. Then I wanna get skippy with the rhythm of the lyrics, I'm a kid, I ain't never giving up. Emotive concept is here to stay. 2019, my year, my